Hello, my fellow grocery addict. It is a Monday evening. I did my grocery haul earlier today, but I'm going to share with you a Trader Joe's haul because I have time to kill on this side of town. I love going to Trader Joe's. I have one thing that I need to get for my son's lunch, and I'm looking for some protein snacks. I don't really know what I'll find or if I'll find much, but let's get in, see what goodies they have, and I can't wait to share with you. A little love for all of Trader Joe's beautiful flowers. They're so pretty. Even though I'm not a plant person, I can admire them. If you're local or semi-local, you know Oberon's a big deal in the spring. Okay, I've been using the same one of these all school year. We're almost out. Like my son gets 2 a lunch, $5.49. Perfect for lunch boxes. I am getting these because I forgot to get them at Aldi earlier. Frozen blueberries, $2.49. I'm gonna get these shelled hemp seeds because 3 tablespoons is 10 grams of protein and can be added to things really easily. They are $6.49. Obviously these are not for protein, but they just look super good, pink and whites. They are $4.49 and I am gonna say yes and probably eat some after I make the video. Okay, call me juvenile, but I put these back because they're yogurt coated, not frosting coated. Okay, I gave this to my sister because I love it that much, and I knew she'd like it for cottage cheese, but I need it back. So I'm getting one, $2.99. And then I love this, but I have plenty of it. I want to get this smoky and hot chili powder, blended paprika and hot chili. That's $2.49. Again, to put on my cottage cheese. Trader Joe's has so much cheese, but so does Aldi. So I'm just seeing if there's anything that I feel like I can't get at Aldi that I'd really enjoy. I don't think so though. This looks really good, but I'm gonna try to make my own buffalo dip. High protein, more chicken than dip. Okay, these look like momofuku noodles, and here at Trader Joe's, $4.99 for 4 packs is definitely cheaper than momofuku. They have wavy noodles, and I could definitely zhuzh these up however we want, so I'm actually excited to try these. They look pretty good to me. I never can get their black bean taquitos. They sell so fast. My girls love them, so it doesn't surprise me. Okay, this is not for protein, but I'm gonna get this. It's 400 calories when I do down days. This looks so good, $3.99. I'm gonna get 2 of these papadums, lentil and chickpea crisp. They're $2.69 a piece, and the entire bag is 25 grams of protein, so I could split it up, obviously. I'm also gonna get these super seedy cheese snack bites. The entire bag is less than 500 calories, but 33 grams of protein. Kind of a fun option. I'll get one of those at $3.49. And then this is $2.99. It's made with 100% cheese, just really crispy. 28 grams of protein if I eat the whole bag. I'm probably gonna get 2 of these. Basically, need some crispy items that are high in protein. And I'm just gonna get one of these to drink right after I shop. 99 cents each. Okay, here's everything. Any guess on my total? Got the goods. And the total was $44.87. I love dipping Crispies in cottage cheese, and I think having a high protein crisp for the high protein cottage cheese will be really good. I'm trying to up my protein intake, and it's been kind of a fun journey. If you're unfamiliar, I do intermittent fasting, and if you want to see some other snacks that I got to try to up my protein intake and my eating window, you can check out this video on my fasting channel right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao down and ciao. Ooh, it smells like raspberry right from the get-go. That is a great flavor. I love this.